please mute your audio and make sure your video is visible. Yeah, I guess Preeti, your video is not visible. Can you please keep it on? And Sony Gupta also. Make your video visible. Yeah. All right, ladies. So very good evening to all of you. I welcome you all at Forever Star India Awards. So as I can see, some lovely faces across the screen, and some of you have the experience and some of you don't. So firstly, just be confident because it is going to be about yourself. Okay. This is going to be a one-on-one audition. There will be 2 rounds of ramp walk. Okay. Minimum 2 rounds of ramp walk has to be done. Set your cameras accordingly so that we can see you in full profile. And introduction should consist some basic details about yourself, your hobbies, what brings you here, what is the motivation there. Okay. So all of these details you have to share with us in your one-on-one introduction. And after this audition, you are going to receive a validity of lifetime with your audition report card. Okay. So all of you, whether you are being selected or not selected, you are going to receive the report card. And this report card will consist, will have a validity of a lifetime. Okay. So if someone is participating this year or someone is not able to participate, like if they have not been selected, they can appear next time. Okay. And also with this, there will be just, yeah. So after this, there will be your participation, your trainings and everything, which we are going to start very soon after your audition. So let's start with the auditions first, okay? And for that, we have a special jury member from our Forever team, Ms. Harry Khosa, the project coordinator. Over to you, Harry, now. Thank you.
Thank you, Jaya. Thank you so much. All right, ladies, a very, very warm welcome and a lovely evening to all you stunning women I can see across the screen. A digital hi to everyone. I hope you guys are doing good, and let's get started. I can see some lovely smiles. Keep those intact. Trust me, it does not matter if you are doing this for the first time. We are immensely delighted to have each one of you. और जैसे कि जया ने बोला, आपकी लैंग्वेज आपके सपनों के बीच नहीं आनी चाहिए. So if you're comfortable in Hindi, talk in Hindi. If you are comfortable in English, you know, English would be even more better. And of course, मुझे पंजाबी भी आती है, so I can figure out that as well. So all the best. Let's start with your auditions. Let's start to know you all more. I will be interacting with you one-on-one. एक-एक करके हम बात करेंगे. And of course, we will be kick-starting your journey, your dream to become a successful model right today by seeing 2 rounds of your ramp walk. Okay, so do not feel nervous. This is your time. You know, have that chakde feeling in you कि ये मेरा time है और ये मुझसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता. And I'm sure you guys are going to perform great. So let's start with the one with the username QT, the one with the maroon top. Can I please have your name and can you please unmute yourself? जिन्होंने maroonish सा top पहना हुआ है, क्या please अपना mic on कर सकती हैं? Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
क्या आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ मैं? Yes, I'm talking to you. जिन्होंने maroon top पहना हुआ है.
Hi, this is Sangeeta from Hyderabad.
Hi, Sangeeta. आपका username QT है, तो I got confused and let's get to know more of you. How are you?
Not bad.
Not bad. Why? Why aren't you good?
Just simply.
Okay. Your smile is beautiful. Let's get to know you more. अपने introduction से start कीजिए.
Okay. 1 minute now. Hi, this is Sangeeta from Hyderabad and I'm from Uppal. And I'm so excited to participate in Miss India 2021. Thank you for everyone watching here. And I'm wishing all the best to everyone. And the next one, can I do the ramp walk?
No. So see, मैं फिर से clear कर देती हूँ. आप लोगों की introduction में 3 चीजें बहुत important हैं. आपका खुद का बेसिक डिटेल, सेकंड आपकी हॉबीज, and third, of course, why are you here? Why do you want to win that crown of forever Miss or Mrs. India? And then, of course, we'll have your rap walk. तो मुझे ये बताइए, what are your hobbies?
Okay, my hobbies was dancing. Somewhat I love doing reels, acting, and I always make fun. That's it.
Okay, and why are you here, Sangeeta? You want to become an actor, or do you also want to pursue modeling full time?
Actually, I'm interested in modeling and I want to be an actress.
So, final destination actor बनने का है.
हाँ
Final सपना actor बनने का है, right?
हाँ हाँ.
अरे सी स्माइल वहीं पे बड़ी हो जाती है. So let's start with your ramp walk, Sangeeta.
हाँ, okay. Fight. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sangeeta. First of all, you look lovely and your smile is very beautiful, like I mentioned earlier. And
Thank
ramp
you.
walk में अभी कुछ technicalities हैं जो improve हो सकती हैं, जो हमारे experts will be taking over. So all the best. I would be getting back to you in a while. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And let's move to the one with a very numeric username, जिन्होंने blue dress पहना हुआ है, open hair. Can you please unmute yourself? Hi.
Hi, is it?
Yes, that's you. Can I please have your name?
My name is Deepa Badguzar. How are you?
I'm so sorry. I couldn't get your name. I'm so sorry. Can you please repeat?
Okay, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. My name is Deepa Badguzar.
Okay, Deepa, how are you?
I'm so good, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Let's have your introduction. Let's get to know you more.
Sure. Okay. So first of all, I am a newly married woman. In a month of March, I got married, and before this, I have done 2-3 fashion shows. One was competition, and few was just a normal, of clothing fashion shows. That's it. The reason to join this competition is because my in-laws are like very sweet. I'm just so grateful to have them. The reason I want to join this because I just want to prove them, that girls are like, we still have freedom. Like they are so sweet, but they don't know that level of freedom yet. So I want to show them what I was before marriage. I respect them. I also have that sanskar kind of thing. I respect them, but I want to show what I am and what I can do exactly along with their respect. So that's my agenda. Join this.
Of course, you represent the modern Indian women because sanskars do not have a definition anymore. It's all about respecting each other, not just elders, but everyone. And Deepa, now tell me, I'm sure modeling must be one of your hobbies, clearly, with your past experience. Is there anything else that you enjoy as an individual?
Yeah, about my hobby, I love sports. I love yoga. Also acting. I do make reels, like not that I don't want to be actress, but yes, also I am a fashion designer. I'm actually learning. I haven't been yet, but I'm learning. I'm in a first year of fashion designing.
Okay, so Deepa, you want to explore it all, right? You seem to be a very, very interesting person. I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Yes. If you don't mind, can you give me a quick moment so I can set up my camera and wear my shoes?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Thank you so much. Give me a quick moment.
Sure.
Hi, I'm back. I'm so sorry about that.
No worries. You can start.
That's it.
Thank you, Deepa. Your walk speaks of your experience. You are indeed very confident while walking, and it shows. Thank you so much, and I will be getting back to you in a while. So let's hear it from Sanju. Hi, Sanju.
Sure.
Hi. Good evening, all.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Please start with the introduction.
Sure. Actually, this particular ID is of my brother. His name is Sanju, and my name is Manju.
Okay, Manju, even better. So, for everybody around, there is an option to change your username while you enter a meeting or after you enter a meeting. So, always try doing that so your identity does not get dissolved into numbers and your brother's name and all of that. Okay. So, yes, Manju, tell me.
Right. Hi. My name is Manju, and I am 26 years old. My height is 5'3", and my hobbies are reading novel, watching Chinese movies. Actually, I don't prefer Bollywood. I usually prefer Chinese because they're too good. And also, I love traveling. I just love traveling. Recently, I have been to Goa as well, and also dancing. Dancing is like I'm just crazy about dancing. I'm doing modeling actually from an agency with the name of Ellie Cinema, and I have already done two or three of my shows, runway shows. Like I am a runway model, and I have done runway weeks, fashion runway weeks. Thank you.
Okay, wonderful. So, you seem to have a credible experience, Manju. I would request you to start with your ramp walk. Let's see that experience on the ramp.
Sure, ma'am. Please give me a moment. Actually, my room is very tiny, like
No
very
issues. No
small
issues about
space
it.
I have. If you can go through the video, please go through it. Although I am fine.
Can you lower the volume a little so that I can see your leg movement? Yeah, I think this might work better because the space is a little crunchy, I feel.
Is
Okay.
it
A little ऊपर थोड़ा ज़्यादा नीचे हो गया because अब upper half तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है.
okay? I think this one is okay.
I think we can manage. You can start.
All right.
Okay, Manju, you can sit back. क्योंकि crunch की वजह से anyways कुछ थोड़ा clarity कम है, so I don't want you to put in the efforts.
Yeah, I'm really sorry, but the space is like my room is very small, and the space is not.
You don't have to be apologetic about your home, right? It's completely all right. And now tell me, Manju, were you wearing stilettos while walking or were you wearing block heels?
No, I am wearing stilettos only, but the actually the height is 5.5 only. I have 7 inches as well, but because of the space, I haven't wear those ones.
No, wonderful. I was about to compliment that it shows that you are a rampway model because you're wearing stilettos, because those are the only kind of heels that are practically acceptable during a ramp walk. So thank you so much,
Right.
Manju. It was lovely hearing from you, and your walk. I'm sure in future rounds we're going to see it even more clearer. Thank you. So let's
Thank
hear
you
it from
so much.
Honey. Hi, Honey. I don't know if your name is Honey or if your name is Lisa, because there is Honey Lisa written. So if you could clarify. Please unmute yourself.
Hi.
How are you?
Very good evening. I'm fine. How are you doing?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Can I please have your name and clear out the confusion?
Sure. My full name is Honey Lisa Wallace. Wallace is my dad's name. So I have an honor to, suffix the name.
Okay, great. Go ahead.
Yeah. I'm Honey Lisa and I'm from Hyderabad. And there are a lot of talents, inner talents are inside of me. And I would like to, name one by one. And I love dancing. I love blogging. I love reading. I love going out. I like to be responsibly social as well. So my core achievements are in 2017, I have won the title of Miss Hyderabad Events. And in 2020, I have won the title for Miss Fashion Icon, conducted by a lovely professional university. If you're aware of it, it's in Punjab. So considering all of this, I guess I'm provoked and very well aspired for the future upcoming events. And I see myself having a great potential, putting myself in, a nice standards of beauty and getting a nice opportunities and utilizing it for my further goals, short-term goals and long-term goals. So I really love going out and enjoying reading articles and anything related to fashion, beauty. I see myself there because my mother is a beautician and a fashion designer as well. So my roots are over from there. She's a very aspiring woman. She motivates me every time, and she asks me to just pursue whatever you want. There is no force and all. Yes, she is a source of my strength and as well as weakness. My friends believe in me that I'm a very effective in the communication, and I do have a convincing skills and all. I see myself there as well. So right now, I'm pursuing masters in business administration, and I do have a long-term goals. But apart from that, I do follow my passions and interests. So I see myself modeling and using a beautiful face to have a powerful impact on society. I want to be really socially responsible, and doing it for myself and gaining an experience in it really makes my life a fulfillment, and it's another achievement. So that's about myself.
Thank you, honey. Thank you so much. There is a lot of clarity while you speak, and you have connected the dots very carefully. And your mother being a beautician shows into the finesse of your makeup that you've done. You are looking very, very beautiful. I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Sure. Thank you.
Your work is confident, honey, and I'm sure you're going to add a lot of value. And the trainers are going to take the right care of what technicalities need to be taken care of. Thank you. It was lovely hearing from you, and I'll move forward. Hi, Soni. How are you? कैसी हैं आप? Please अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए. आप I think काफी time से थोड़ी impatient हो रही हैं. सोनी जी अपना mic on कर सकती हैं, please?
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking.
मैम इसलिए मैं आपको हैंड रेज कर रही थी बिकॉज मैं फास्टिंग हूँ.
Okay. So
मेरा अभी आरती का भी टाइम हो रहा था, मैम से मेरी बात भी हुई थी.
एक्चुअली आप 6 PM वाले स्लॉट में थी शायद, बट आप काफी लेट एंटर करी, तो वी हैड टू पुट यू बैक इन 7, सो दैट इज व्हाई. सो जस्ट बी लिटिल मोर पेशेंट, तो फाइंड अप ही कर रहे हैं. सो
और इस टाइम ना मैम फास्टिंग मेरा 9 दिन का है, अभी फर्स्ट टाइम मैं कर रही हूँ, सो थोड़ा सा इसलिए मैं जल्दी सोच रही थी मेरा ऑडिशन हो जाएगा, मैं अपना मीटिंग करके.
जब आप सिलेक्ट हो जाओगे तो यू विल हैव अ जर्नी कि मैंने ऑडिशन तब दिया था जब मेरा फास्ट था. सो यू ऑलवेज हैव अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस टू टेल. सो यू आर, लेट्स गेट टू नो यू मोर. ओके सोनी, अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
मैं अभी जो आपके सामने देख रही हूँ विदाउट, मैं 3 दिन से फेस वॉश भी नहीं की हूँ।
Okay, why is that? Fasting में नहीं कर, I'm not very aware. I'm so sorry अगर if I end up saying something completely wrong. So yeah, ऐसा क्यों?
क्योंकि मैम नवरात्रि में हमारे यहाँ ये सब रूल्स नहीं है कि आप फेस वॉश करो, मेकअप करो एंड हेयर वगैरह कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो।
ओके, मुझे नहीं पता था, मतलब आई थिंक सबके लिए अलग अलग होता है हाउ यू टेक नवरात्रि एंड एवरी रिलीजन ट्रीट्स इट वेरी डिफरेंटली। बट चलो कोई बात नहीं, उसकी कोई टेंशन नहीं है, बहुत आगे मौके आएंगे मेकअप करने के, अच्छा लगने के लिए। सो आई एम श्योर। अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए, मेकअप को बैक सीट पे रख दीजिए।
ओके, माई सेल्फ सोनी गुप्ता फ्रॉम बिहार। माई हाइट इज 5.6 इंच और माई हॉबी इज म्यूजिक, डांसिंग, फैशन एंड फोटोग्राफी।
ओके,
I want to become Femina Miss India.
हाँ जी। ओके सोनी, ये फेमिना मिस इंडिया नहीं है, ये फॉरएवर मिस इंडिया है, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है।
नहीं, मैंने I want to become बोला है मैम।
ओके ओके ठीक है, चलो कंटिन्यू कीजिए।
So मैम ज्यादा मैं बात नहीं कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ अभी ना फास्टिंग में हूँ तो ज्यादा बोल नहीं सकती हूँ, ठीक है? तो मैं आपको वॉक करके दिखा देती हूँ विदाउट हिल्स।
बट यू वांट टू बिकम, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू बिकम?
मैम फेमिना मिस इंडिया माय ड्रीम।
लेकिन यू वांट टू अचीव अ टाइटल, बट उसका हम पीछे हमेशा कोई रीजन।
या मैम बिहार में मैं बहुत सारा इवेंट कर चुकी हूँ, ऑलमोस्ट मैं ब्राइडल फोटोशूट भी कराती हूँ कंटिन्यू। तो मैम आपको मैं पर्सनल वो जितनी भी मेरे फोटोज वगैरह है ना, मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप कर सकती हूँ।
नहीं नहीं, आप मेरा क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ रही हैं सोनी जी। मैं ये पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि आप सबका एक सपना होता है एक टाइटल जीतने का, किसी का मॉडलिंग होता है, किसी का एक्टिंग होता है, किसी का अपनी पहचान बनाना होता है। आप वो टाइटल क्यों जीतना चाहती हैं?
मैम क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हूँ, ठीक है, और मुझे इस लाइन से और मॉडलिंग लाइन से दोनों बेनिफिशियल होगा, जिससे मैं अपनी एक पहचान बना सकती हूँ।
चलो ठीक है, आपकी राम वॉक के साथ शुरू करते हैं।
मैम बट मैंने हिल्स अभी नहीं पहना है।
नो प्रॉब्लम सोनी जी, आपको तो आई थिंक सब कुछ ही एक्सक्यूज करना पड़ेगा। आपने तो सबसे पहले ही आगे रिलीजियस रीजन दे दिया है, तो मैं अब क्या ही बोलूं।
देख रही हूँ मैम मैं।
जी जी, यू कैन स्टार्ट।
एक्चुअली लाइट नहीं आ पा रहा है।
नो प्रॉब्लम सोनी, नो प्रॉब्लम। आपका वॉक काफी एवरेज है। आई एम श्योर आगे टेक्निकल्स और एक्सपर्ट्स आके आपको जब ग्रूम करेंगे, सो यू विल बी एबल टू ग्रो बेटर एंड फुल। थैंक यू। एंड अगर हो सके तो मीटिंग ना छोड़िएगा, एंड में हम प्लेटफॉर्म में बात करेंगे। बट इफ यू थिंक यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल, यू कैन गेट इन टच विद द टीम और वो आपको पूरा प्रोसेस समझा देंगे, ठीक है? थैंक यू।
ओके मैम।
Let's hear it from Khushi. Hi Khushi, finally your audio is connected. How are you? Khushi, वीडियो ऑफ नहीं करना है, माइक ऑन करना है। अपना माइक ऑन कीजिए, वहां पे लेफ्ट पे एक आइकॉन होगा। Yes. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. So now tell me about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Khushi and I'm from Delhi. I'm 27 years old and I have graduated and post-graduated from Delhi University. And I'm 27 years old. My age is 27 years. And hobbies are dancing, traveling, reading books, and learning new things. Kind of things I like the most. And yeah.
क्या हुआ खुशी? कोई टेंशन है? Where is the smile? What happened? Are you nervous?
Yeah, a little bit.
You don't have to be nervous. See, you have such a lovely smile. You don't have to be nervous at all. This is the shuruat. So you act like a beginner. It's completely all right. Nobody's judging you here. So now tell me, why do you want to win the crown?
Ma'am, this is my dream. शुरू से ही मुझे मतलब था कि मुझे एक क्राउन, अपने आप को क्राउन पहनते हुए देखना था। तो फॉरएवर स्टार जो है वो मुझे मेरे ड्रीम के करीब लेके जाएगा, तो इसलिए मैंने
ओके, हो गया ऑडिशन। तो अभी यू कैन चिल, ओके, टेस्ट खत्म हो गया। तो अभी आपका रैंप वॉक देखें।
ओके।
Thank you, Khushi. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So calm down now, have some water, and the audition is done. You don't have to worry about anything. You did really well, but I'm sure there is a lot of improvement. You need to work on your confidence. Your smile. When you are smiling, so आपका nervousness कहीं ना कहीं छुप जाता है, तो वो दिखेगा ही नहीं, ठीक है? So next time के लिए keep that in mind. So let's talk to Preeti. Hi Preeti, कैसी हैं आप?
फाइन मैम, आप कैसे हो?
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पूछने के लिए। अब अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए प्लीज।
Myself Preeti, I am 21 years old and my hobby is drawing, shopping and traveling. I am pursuing student of nursing field.
Okay, so you like drawing, traveling and shopping, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. And आप मिस इंडिया क्यों बनना चाहती हैं प्रीति?
मैम मेरा पैशन है।
पैशन क्या है? मॉडलिंग है, एक्टिंग है?
मैम इससे पहले मैंने ऑडिशन दिया है सेमीफाइनल तक, बट उससे आगे मैं जा ही नहीं पाई एक बार भी, बिकॉज मेरे एग्जाम स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, फिर कोई ड्यूटी वगैरह, उसी वजह से पोस्टपोन करने पड़ जाते हैं मेरे को।
नो प्रॉब्लम। तो अभी प्रीति आपके रैंप वॉक के साथ शुरू करते हैं।
यस मैम।
गो अहेड।
ओके मैम। मैम एक मिनट। फोन।
Thank you, Preeti. Thank you so much. You could sit back. अभी बहुत तैयारी की जरूरत है, when it comes to your presentation, your ramp walk, but I'm sure experts उसका ख्याल रख लेंगे, so don't worry. All the best. I'll get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Sharmishta. Hi, Sharmishta.
Good evening, Miss Kosa. I'm so sorry about my voice. I've been not keeping well at all. I was postponing it, but then it was already postponed past, I guess, 3-4 weeks. So I had to. I'm so sorry about my voice.
It's okay. Your voice still seems lovely. I wouldn't have told. I wouldn't have realized the problem. So first of all, I just want to compliment you. Have a very attractive face.
Thank you so much.
You have a very strong screen presence. And now, of course, Sharmisha, let's get to know you more. You can start with your introduction.
Sure. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sharmisha. I have been a Delhiite for quite some time now. I'm originally from Shillong. Coming from an army background, my father is serving the Indian Army. I have been working as a flight attendant as one of the leading airlines in India for quite some time now. I have no experience in regards to fashion or ramp walk or any such things. But this thing, I always had this thing since childhood. Whatever I dreamt of, I got it. I achieved it. I always chase. This is something that I have in myself. I love traveling. I love writing. I write quotes and short stories for different websites. That's part-time my hobby that I follow. Apart from that, I want to become this is because my friends last year after COVID, after lockdown, I did a page shoot for one of my friends. He has a page. So from there on, my friends who saw my pictures, they're like, Sharmishta, you should give a try. And then somewhere down the line, I thought maybe I should. So this is where I landed up looking for it and submitting in the form and everything else. So yeah, chasing it again. A new dream, chasing it again.
Absolutely. Sharmishta, first of all, love your honesty. You mentioned it completely honestly that why you are here, what were the potential reasons. And now I think we can put the friends in the back seat and, present Sharmishta into the forefront. I am sure your friends are totally right. So you don't have to, double think it or anything. You have the potential, it clearly shows. And also, I love the fact that you specified, what kind of a writer you are, that you are into short stories and all of that, because usually it's very easy to say writing, but it shows how passionate you are when you are very precise about what kind of writing you are into. So let's of course start with your ramp walk, Sharmishta.
Sure.
And you don't have to worry about not being, a beginner or something like that. That's completely our call. We are here to take care of it.
Certainly, ma'am. Can I just adjust my iPad because it will not...
Absolutely.
Is it full?
Yes, sure, Mr. You can start.
That's it.
Can we have one more round, Sharmishta?
Sure.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Like I said, कुछ technicalities हैं जो work upon की जा सकती हैं, but उसके लिए हमारे experts हैं who will be taking care of it.
Sure.
So, thank you. It's lovely hearing from you. You can sit back comfortably, and I'll be getting back to you in a while.
Thank you.
Let's hear it from Pooja Sharma. Hi, Pooja. How are you? पूजा आपका माइक ऑफ है, ऑन कीजिए.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can I please have an introduction?
Hey, I'm Pooja Sharma. I'm a lawyer by profession, a model by passion, and I love social work.
Okay, that was very quick. जल्दी है, काफी जल्दी जाने की.
No. Actually, I have 4 fur babies and they are roaming around me. That's why I'm making some space so that I can do ramp walk.
Pooja, what is your final ask? Why do you want to win the crown? Do you want to become a successful model in your life?
It's like, of course, everyone wants to be a successful model. And actually, I just want to win this prize because I want a platform where I can spread my message to most of the public. And it's not about you are going to be successful or you're not. It's all about I'm going to get a platform where I can share my message of, I have 2-3 messages, which if I get any opportunity to share with anyone, I will definitely like to do that. So this is the main reason I want this platform to introduce myself and my message to the public regarding social work.
Okay, Pooja, wonderful. So now we can lower the speed a little and have your ramp walk.
Yeah, sure.
it visible? Pooja, maybe visible नहीं होगा, but we can try. Now is it visible? Yes, this is perfect. You can start. And bring it again. Can you please try to do? Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much.
It was visible or not? I was confused.
No, it was visible, but अभी बहुत सारी training
Yeah,
और एक
but I know
grooming
I
की
forgot
जरूरत है.
many technicalities because it's almost 2 years I have not been in practice, due to COVID and all. Being very frank, from last 2 years I have not been in any practice, so I need some technicality, things.
No problem. Thank you, Pooja. Let's hear it from Bhavna Thakur. Hi, Bhavna.
Hello. Good
How are
evening.
you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you? Hello.
I
Can
am
you
good
hear
too.
me, ma'am?
Thank you for asking. Why was your video off? You have such a lovely smile.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, it's my friend's phone. Actually, I have some issues in my phone, so.
Okay. So
I'm Nikita
your
Singh,
name is.
ma'am. No, ma'am. My name is Nikita Singh.
Okay.
I'm from
Okay.
Bhopal itself, but I'm in Jaipur right now because of my job. I'm already a fashion designer, and my height is 5'5", and I'm 23 years old. I just wanted to come in this field because I'm already a fashion designer, so I think I should try once. And I got a notification from your side from 3 to 4 times, so I should try it. So I'm here. Thank you.
Okay. So भावना try करने के बाद क्या? Suppose आप crown जीत जाते हो तो उसके
And
बाद.
my name is Nikki.
Sorry, Nikita. I'm so sorry. वो username वो होता है ना, so it just slips my mind. So
It's okay, ma'am.
Nikita, now tell me that suppose आप crown जीत जाते हो, so आप fashion designing continue करना चाहोगे या would you also like to take up modeling?
Ma'am, I always wanted to be a fashion designer, but now I think I can do both as well. So
तो
I
दोनों
will try
कर
my best. I will try my best.
हाँ तो दोनों कर सकते हैं, खुद ही मॉडल बन सकते हैं, खुद ही फैशन डिजाइनिंग कर
Yes,
सकते हैं.
ma'am. I've already done shoots for 2 brands in Jaipur itself, and I designed the dresses and shoot in my own dresses.
Wonderful.
So I work for. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Nikita, let's start with your.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Just a minute. That's it, ma'am.
Nikita, one more round, please.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Nikita, you have a very, very confident vibe, and it reflects in your ramp walk as well. About the technicalities, the experts will take over, but yeah, you have a lot of potential. And I'm sure, you're going to be one of those who are the designers themselves and the model themselves. So it's like all set. So thank you so much. It was lovely hearing from you. All right, ladies, thank you so much. It was lovely hearing from each one of you. I would request all of you to start your videos if possible. क्योंकि जैसे आप लोगों ने हमें अपने बारे में बताया, it is essential for us to tell you, about us, where you are entering, कि कहाँ आप अपने सपने fulfill करने वाले हैं, and of course you're going to add a lot of value to the platform. So first of all, congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. It was an absolute pleasure knowing all of you. आप लोग एक दूसरे से इतने अलग हो, but there is one thing that if you notice, आप सब में common है, the passion to create a unique identity for yourself, अपने लिए एक अलग पहचान बनाना. जरिए अलग-अलग हो सकते हैं, modeling, acting, designing, the base could be different, but the bottom line comes to the same point कि मुझे अपनी पहचान बनानी है, and I want people to know me by my name. So you can shed off the nervousness now. The audition is done. You have completed it successfully. I'm sure most of you are going to make through it. And this was damn a wonderful batch that we had today. So now, of course, over to Jaya. She will be starting off with the details of the platform. Be very attentive, hear her out, and then, of course, I will be taking in the end. Over to you, Jaya.
Thank you so much, Harry. All right. So yes, ladies, I can see that you have done great in your performances. Some were like really honest, as I've seen in your audition. So yeah, all done. All right. So let's talk about the platform. As Harry has already told you that, you have come to the platform, you have already done some kind of research. And for further participation, you'll be doing some more. Okay, so this is Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. Firstly, I would like to tell you, it is a community. Okay, it is a community of awards. It is a community of fashion designer, makeup artists, celebrities, and everyone. So this is the first community in the world which is having 20,000 members currently across India. Okay, and I can see some of you are going to add value to it. So let's talk about the audition report card, which I have given you some insight about it already. So audition report card, you are going to receive after 48 to 72 hours of your audition, as this is a weekend audition. So yeah, usually you get it in 24 hours, but you'll be receiving in 48 to 72 hours. Irrespective of your selection, whether you're selected or not selected, you are going to receive your audition report card. So it will be, everything will be mentioned. Where are you starting from, even if you're being selected? So this is about your audition report card, which comes with a lifetime of validity. And as Harry has already told you about the unique identity, you all are here to make your unique identities. So have you ever Googled yourself? Like, yes, we have Googled FCR, but have you Googled yourself also? So this is how, being a participant, you are going to get a Google ranking, a top Google ranking. Like, for example, if Sharmishta Deb Roy FCR, if you're searching on Google, or Sony Gupta on Google, so the profile which is ranking on Google is going to be from Forever Star India. Okay, so make sure you update your profile as well, because this is going to be a Google ranking all over the world, not just in India. So make sure you update your profile, have a social media presence. As all of you know, that whenever someone is going to someone is being a winner, for example, when Manushi Chinner won the crown, everyone was searching her on social media. So basically your social media presence is a key. If you're going to be a winner, then there should be a celebrity profile as well. So make sure, even if you are your main goal is acting or main goal is modeling, so make sure your profiles accordingly. You can make your reels and everything like that. Talking about a business opportunities, as you know, this is already a community. So business provide opportunities we are going to provide you, like as Harry has mentioned, that we are coming up with our own OTT platforms next year. Okay, so in upcoming year, we can collaborate with you as a makeup artist, or as a script writer, as a director, as an actor, model, anyway. So you are there going to get a lot of benefits from here. Okay. I hope I have cleared my point. So Harry will be talking to you about the grand finale, which is going to be a 4-day grandeur program, which is going to happen in Pink City, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Over to you, Harry, now.
Thank you, Jaya. Thank you so much. Now to brush up what Jaya said. I'm sure आप लोग upcoming celebrities वाली feeling लेना शुरू कर सकते हैं, because let's get it started. That first thing that she mentioned was audition report. Now, she beautifully explained how all of you will be receiving it, because let's be honest, आज सुबह आप उठे, you chose the right outfit, you chose a lot of confidence to gather, because एक stranger के साथ virtual screen पे अपने बारे में बात करने के लिए बहुत हौसला लगता है. It takes a lot of courage, right? It might seem easy, but it is not. You are nervous, you are jittery, and you want to put your best foot forward. So to appreciate that audition report will be sent irrespective of your selection, like Jaya already mentioned. Because see, even if you don't get selected, you would want to know that, kahan kami reh gayi, where is something that I can improve upon. And if you get selected also, I am sure you would understand किसी भी journey की शुरुआत करने से पहले you need to know where you stand. What are your weak points, what are your high points, ताकि आप उसी हिसाब से आगे बढ़ो और उन्हीं potential aspects पे अपना काम strong करो. And of course, top Google ranking, my, searching yourself on Google. Imagine having the confidence to say, मेरा नाम Google कर लीजिए, मेरा काम दिख जाएगा. So, that is something that is very huge in itself, because Instagram pay, the members are huge. Everything is already too much that is happening. But Google is something that is universal and that has a value of its own. And of course, now coming to the grand finale, the couture gowns and those lovely crowns for that matter. So the grand finale, like Jaya already mentioned, is going to happen, from 17th to 20th December in Marriott Hotel, Jaipur, where all of you, not all, of course, the selected ones are going to come together. But let's, start with what happens before the grand finale. So audition report clear करने के बाद, audition clear करने के बाद, you become a member of our community. Jaya, repeatedly emphasized कि this is not just a beauty pageant. This is a community we are building of women who are, talented, passionate to create a mark for themselves. अगर आप इस background से नहीं हो, no issues. We have 150 plus experts, trainers जो अलग-अलग profile से हैं, makeup artists, ramwalk experts, image consultants, fashion designers, fashion stylists. I can go on and on and on. So these experts are going to train you virtually. जैसे कि आज आप अपने comfort spaces में बैठ के, because all of you are either working women, you are either studying. So it's very difficult for you to travel across for little details, right? So this is going to be an all-in-all virtual platform where, you are going to get experts, teaching you, grooming you with all the right kind of expertise so that you are mentally, physically, and of course, professionally prepared to become an eligible winner from your respective city. Now, why do I say that? Because it's not just going to be one winner. This is going to be India's first platform to crown 300 plus winners in a single go. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just going to be one winner. It's going to be 300 plus winners. And how is going to that happen? City level पे, state level पे और national level पे winners bifurcated होंगे. So अगर आप city level पे winner बनते हो अपनी city से, अगर आप state level पे winner बनते हो, अगर आप national level पे winner बनते हो, आप आओगे grand finale में to grace those couture gowns, by some really, really professional and popular designers. And of course, put that confidence forward. So it's not going to matter. The only thing that is going to matter is your journey. You just have to invest your time very wisely. You have to commit to it very religiously, because you need to set your priorities right. अगर हम कोचिंग पे भी जाते हैं तो कोचिंग वाले सिर्फ सिखा सकते हैं, होमवर्क और सेल्फ स्टडी हमारी खुद की होती है. I'm sure you would understand. They can only teach you something, but how you take it, how you research it, and how you implement it is a very, very personal take, and that is what makes you a winner for that matter. So be very, very consistent, be very, very strong and committed towards the platform. That is the only thing we need. Rest of all of it, we are going to take care. You don't have to worry about, your trainings की ramp walk नहीं आता है, कैसे figure out करना है, makeup का idea नहीं है, how will I figure that out? All of that is going to be, taken care of by us. And of course, like I mentioned, it's going to be a 4-day event, which is going to have only winners from across the city coming together to put up the show. And of course, there will be a celebrity on board as well, whose name we are not going to reveal yet, but it's going to be all fun and frolic and, with all the smiles. Now, for the participation and the lifetime membership and everything, all these trainings, grooming, and the lifetime membership that Jaya mentioned, because the lifetime membership is something that you take away. No matter if you win or not, you are going to get associated with us for a period of lifetime, which basically means कि इस platform से जो भी opportunity generate होगी, उसका आपको direct access मिलेगा. Now, OTT, I'm sure everybody is aware of. Hotstar, Netflix, Amazon have been the surviving tools of, pandemic for that matter. And they have grown and how. So this is a very, very key factor that we're going to launch our own OTT platform really soon. So जो भी आपके अंदर एक acting का कीड़ा है, writing का कीड़ा है, you want to write a script, you want to, playback singing, you want to do choreography, all of these are going to get really good opportunities on a single platform. Because let's be honest, when it comes to women, we have to double check everything before entering the glamorous industry. हम पहले audition का promotion भी देखते हैं, सबसे पहले दिमाग में आता है कहीं ये fake तो नहीं है. I need to check if this is correct or not. Let's be honest about it. It's not something that, is very positively related to the glamorous industry, unfortunately. But let's change that and imagine getting an opportunity from a platform that you are already associated with. You don't have to worry about the algorithms or the process. You just have to appear for it. So this is the kind of community that we are building. It's just about your talent, nothing else. Your shape, your size, your age, your color does not matter here. We are immensely proud to call it an exclusively, inclusive platform, because I'm sure agar aapne kabhi pageants pe research kiya ho, you will realize the minimum height criteria of a standard model is 5'5", 5'6". But hamara minimum criteria is 5 feet. And we're going to make it even more inclusive in the coming years. And I'm sure, because see, the talent is not defined by these physical attributes. These are just something that we are born with and nobody can do anything about it, right? So let's move forward. Let's break these stereotypes with all you strong, lovely women. Thank you so much for appearing today. And to mention the last thing, I am pitching in Forever Star India's social media details because you all are smart, intelligent women. Research before you invest. Now, why do I say invest? Because the participation fee is 4,000 plus GST, जिसके अंदर आपका lifetime membership, आपके grooming sessions, everything will be included. Okay, all of it will be virtual. And yeah, I hope I mentioned that the finale is going to be offline. Crown आप offline नहीं पहनोगे, वो हम online नहीं पहनाएंगे because किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, right? So don't worry about that. You're going to wear your crowns, offline only. And make sure you take a screenshot of the chat box, research well, and then take a decision, because like I said, you all are intelligent women. And yep, that's it. Thank you so much for hearing me out so patiently. Thank you so much for hearing Jaya out so patiently. It was lovely meeting all of you, and we're really looking forward to have you in the training sessions and have lots of fun, learn a lot, grow a lot, and of course make this event a huge success. Thank you. Lots of love. Have a lovely evening ahead. Have even better weekend ahead. So thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank you so much.
In case anybody has any questions, you guys can go ahead. We will be more than happy to answer. Agar kisi ko kuch bhi sawal, confusion hai, you guys can, ask. I can see some.
May I?
Yes, honey, go ahead.
So I'm thinking like if the training and the other things would be done, is it through online or?
Yeah. Before the finale, it's all virtual.
Okay.
So now the consistency remains. You do not have to go through, jo talent rounds bhi honge, wo bhi virtually honge. So you don't have to worry about anything. I know the virtual is very new to everyone. You need to figure out how to figure out Zoom meetings, the usernames, and too much happening around. But that is how we'll start. We'll start with an image consultant training you, who will be giving you the basic training about how to attend a virtual meeting in a correct way, how to make, how to appear very beautifully and look the same way that you would have, appeared offline, because offline चीजें थोड़ी easy हो जाती हैं comparatively किसी मामले में, and उसके pros and cons तो हमेशा रहेंगे. But you can always sit on your sofas and attend the trainings, and then of course look really good while you are performing.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Anybody else? अगर आपको कोई भी सवाल है, you guys can generally ask. Okay, so we are all good. Give me a thumbs up if we are all set. Great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Have a lovely evening ahead. Goodbye. That is us signing off.
Thank you so much. Goodbye. Bye.